some lighter magic tricks, man. Okay, we can't let you see this crap. How the hell do you pause?
There's no pause.
Okay.
Got some more in there. Where's that other lighter? Hand it over. Check this out, guys.
Not yet. You need to make it. Let's see if it.
Guys, check this out.
Not
Oh,
yet.
come on. Watch. Check this out. It's floating.
Yeah, man. This is not special effects. We are actually doing this.
Whoa, what's going on here?
Holy crap. Okay, let's do this crap again.
What the hell?
Dude, it's a frick. It's an angel.
Wait. Oh, I was gonna see if I could run my hand under it.
The flame's still there, isn't it, though?
It didn't burn. You do. No, like slowly. Do it slow.
What the hell?
It didn't burn.
Dude, what the hell? Let me do that. Let me do it. Hold up, let me do it. Did it burn?
My finger went under it, then it shot straight down to my finger.
Okay, let me do it now. Let me do it.
Dude, that's guys, look.
Dude, that's
loud.
Put some more in there. Here. Let me do it now. Let me do it. Here, let me do it. Here, hold the camera.
Okay, let's put some more in there real quick. But guys, look at this. If we do it normally, it doesn't really work.
It's hard to light.
See? It doesn't really work.
Okay, hold it.
It's filled with ink in there.
Frick, dude, why you...
Here, I'll light it for you though.
Yeah. Wait, no.
No, just hold that. You should've. Okay, hold it. Here. Let me do it again. Let me do it again.
Hold on.
No, that won't work. That's just gonna burn your finger.
Oh, yeah, hold on. Let's go. Let's do it.
Take it from him. No, you just brought it to me. So take it from him.
I told you.
Here, how do you do
There's
this?
too much ink in there.
Hey! Marcus Speed!
What the heck?
Doesn't even make a mess.
What the heck?
Dude, that's like around it, man. Oh! What the hell? Watch this crap.
Still going.
Yo, guys, we can make a really big flame. Gotta make that lighter back to normal, though.
That's hot. I have an idea.
Oh, well, he'll be right back. Yeah, we could. It's a pretty cinematic trick. And plus, we're gonna be doing it. We'll be doing this crazy crap, like, legit. But I don't have toes, which suck. I have some. But I just don't have, like, my big toe. And it sucks. Magic trick, yeah. What's that? I don't know. I don't know what the hell he's doing up there.
Purple icing on your face. How'd you get purple? your face?
Here, watch him try not to laugh while we're waiting.
Mama, Dada, Grandma, Owen. Keep going.
He's finally back, man.
I couldn't find the huge lighter.
Break it.
She put it away.
Break it.
Where'd you get that green lighter? Okay, watch these big flame. Oh, that's a pretty big flame. Watch this crap.
There's 4.
This one it's pretty big.
You turned it up?
Yeah. Holy crap. It's bigger.
What happened?
I blew on it.
Yeah,
Yo,
what did it-
let's
what
try.
did happen to do that?
No one wasn't gonna say that. If we can get the head of this one off, we can make a mega lighter. Remember?
3, 2, 1.
Whoa. You alright? Oh my gosh.
Let's do it with the other one.
Got it, you got it.
Got it?
Got it.
Did Grandma get burned from doing this?
I got my first ride.
That's way bigger than it was before. Guys.
Okay.
It's like a sparkler.
I was just gonna say that.
Yeah, oh my god. Come on, Danny.
So I pull it up, detach it from the teeth.
What?
I need to pull it up, detach it from the teeth, pull it back over. Is that bigger than before?
A little.
I don't
I'm gonna put
feel
my
it.
finger through it.
I think the only reason it's bigger is because
Wait, I'm gonna put my finger
this
through
is
it.
off.
I'm gonna put my finger through it.
Where's the blue one?
Blue? What'd you do with it? Where's the green one? Let me see the green. Oh, God, man. What you trying to kill us? Let it grow. Let it grow.
Come on, Gavin. There you go. There you go.
That roller's hot.
Ready? Guys, ready to see another magic trick? You're going to light a lighter with a lighter. What the hell are you
Guys.
trying to do?
Check this out.
He's trying to burn his ear off.
Oh my.
Yeah, let me try burning him back on.
Guys, I want to do something, but
Did you get the green one back on?
yeah.
I was like lighting them up.
Why won't that work? Maybe put gasoline from.
tonight. Cherry on top with the Mary, Mary poppin'. We are gonna score, score, score tonight.
That trick doesn't work. He's a liar.
How did it do work for him?
Yeah, they said, yeah. Oh my God. She landed right on the pad. Emily just landed right. They got the smell.
Is it just me? Is it harder?
Hello everyone, Inventor719 here, and in today's video, we are going to be making a
Oh God! Are you okay? You're done for the day. Yes, we're tired.
3 simple lighter hacks.
Paul's kids, because parenting is hard enough.
So today, I want to do a few lighter hacks, alright? The first lighter hack I want to show you guys is I want to increase the flame in the lighter, alright? So the first thing you gotta do is you're gonna take off the metal cap right here. Let's see. And once you do that, you're gonna find that there's a dial right here, and this dial controls how much fuel comes out of the lighter. So you're gonna want to turn it counterclockwise. Alright, no. Yeah, counterclockwise. And we're gonna put the cap back on. Let me zoom out. And we're gonna get this flame going. Sometimes it's hard to light, so you can just get another lighter, catch the
Dude,
flame.
ink is
You
everywhere.
can see how much bigger
Why'd
the
you
flame
grab
is
the ink
compared to the
stain?
normal
It wasn't
lighter.
me.
What? You grabbed it?
First hack.
And I
Okay,
grabbed
so
it.
make sure you want to light your hand on fire. Catch the flame.
Yeah, go.
Zoom out. Clockwise. Alright, no. Yeah, counterclockwise. And we're gonna put how much fuel here. Let's see. And once you do that, you're gonna find that there's a dial.
Yo.
And this dial
Dude,
controls
look, it's
how
like-
much fuel comes out of the
There's
lighter.
like some
So you're gonna want
lighting
to turn it
cigarette.
counterclockwise. Alright, no. Yeah, counterclockwise. And we're gonna put the cap back on. We zoom out. And we're gonna get this flame
You know why it
going.
smells like this?
Sometimes it's hard to light,
What?
so you can
You know why it
just
smells
get
like this?
another lighter,
What?
catch the flame.
Freaking
You
oil
see how
from
much
this.
bigger
It's
this
not
flame
oil,
is
by the
compared
way.
to the normal lighter.
I meant the freaking
Alright. that's my first hack. Okay, so for the second trick, we're gonna light your hand on fire. Sounds stupid, but it's not. Alright, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna cup your hand, and you're gonna get the lighter, and you're gonna place it underneath your hand, and you're gonna press down on the gas. You're gonna let it sit for about 5 or 10
Sorry
seconds.
for not holding you guys.
Let's see. Alright, fireball comes out. No side effects, looks cool, impresses your friends. On to the next trick. So for this next trick, I'm out in my garage. I wouldn't suggest doing it inside your home. So what you're going to do is you're going to take off the metal cap once again, and you're going to take off your flint striker thing. When you're taking this the flint striker thing off, this thing right here, you want to be very careful because there's a spring inside and it'll launch the flint, and that's what we're trying to get. So take it off very carefully. Okay, so I took off the striker thing, and this is what you want. You want the spring and a little piece of flint. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to stretch the spring out just a little bit, and then you're going to get your little piece of flint. You're going to push it inside the spring. Okay? Okay, so once you get the flint on the spring, you're going to heat it up until it's red hot with your lighter, alright? So it takes about, I don't know, 20-30 seconds. Hold on. There you go. Okay, so I'm just heating up the flint till it's nice and hot, and I'm going to throw it down on the ground. Give it about 10-15 seconds. It's getting nice and hot. Red. Alright, I'm going to throw it down. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Kick it around. Play with it. It's a cool little firework. Alright, we'll see you next time.
Guys, we're gonna be making a long.
Whoa.
Yeah, but guys, tomorrow we're gonna be making a long video on bikes, man. Tomorrow on the ice. We're gonna be riding bikes on the ice, man. On the ice. It's gonna be sick.
I don't know. I just want to do a really cool lighter hack.
What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Mobile Toy, where safety is #1 priority. And today I'm gonna make a compilation of 100 science
Promise,
experiments
guys,
you can
a
try.
long
And I'm gonna try to keep it under 15 minutes.
video.
Let's check it out.
Long video. No joke. Long video.
Hadouken!
What the?
That's it. That's how we open a beer, just with CD. So we're gonna put peroxide, then we're gonna put some soap, and then mix it up. So then I'm gonna put some food coloring, a spoon of yeast, and drop it. Let's go. Shake it up!
Well, I'm gonna see you
That's a
next.
bubble.
Oh, you missed it. Buttermilk, food coloring, little bit of soap, drop it.
Yeah, but I will see you tomorrow as soon as I wake up, get dressed, and get outside. Right, Aiden?
You can see if I hold it down into the wood, it'll actually start burning the wood. Right now we're burning the wood in the cart.
Bye. Peace. Please subscribe. Please like, because I'm on a road to 10 subscribers. I'm at 4, so bye.